Mom, I can't find enough words to tell you how much I love and appreciate you. You're strong, loving, and kind. I'm so lucky to have you as my mom. Since the day I was born, you've been there for me, guiding me. Your support, care, and the things you've given up for me have made me who I am today. Your love has always been there for me, helping me through the good times and the tough times. When I'm with you, I feel safe and understood. You've taught me important lessons about life, love, and being strong. Your belief in me has given me the confidence to follow my dreams. When things are uncertain, you're my rock. When I succeed, you're my biggest supporter. When I need a shoulder to lean on, you're there. Your love is endless and unconditional. You're always ready to listen, understand, and offer wise advice. I carry your love and wisdom with me as I go through life. Your grace, strength, and kindness inspire me to be the best I can be. I'm grateful for everything you are. Thank you for your love, your selflessness, and all you've done for my happiness and well-being. I can never thank you enough. Your love is my anchor as I face the world. You remind me of the amazing person I want to become. I'm proud to call you my mom, and I cherish the bond we share. You're my guiding light, my confidant, and the source of my unconditional love. I love you more than words can say, and I'm thankful every day for having you as my mom. With all my love, your daughter.
ये वो
My
माँ
dear
के बारे में बता रहा था।
मोम।
हाँ, माँ के बारे में बता रहा था और मोहब्बत बता रहा था कि रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा
My
था।
dear mom.